So we got the setup. Look at that bed. I love it. I actually love it because it's at the perfect sitting height, right? Right, and we got clothes right there. Dinner's like being prepared. I love it so much. It's all so close together. That's the bunk bed. And this is a bunch of stuff. And, ooh, that's a drill. And if we go into the hallway here, you come into the room that is now empty. Completely empty. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? All ready for taping and painting as of tomorrow. How exciting. What a wonderful room. Wow. What a champion.
Look at those carpet supports. Yeah. Woo! Well, there we go. Every nail's out, and we have. What are you doing here? What is this? Unbelievable! I've cried years of tears into that carpet, and you're gonna smell. Get up here! He's alive! What should we dance today, hey?